Okay, besties, let's get into it. Grab your iced tea or iced coffee, pull out all your cute goodies from Shein, Amazon, DHgate, or even my Shopify store, and let's have a little girly FaceTime gossip moment. We're just chatting, sharing thoughts, opinions, and reactions based on what's been going around on the blogs and the internet. Everything here is alleged and for entertainment purposes only. We're keeping it friendly, fun, and super detailed just like we always do. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, babe. It helps the channel so much and it lets me know you're here vibing with me. Now, besties, the streets are whispering, like whispering. People online are asking, is Kourtney Kardashian low-key trapped in a toxic marriage? Is Travis Barker allegedly isolating her from the Kardashian family? And you know we gotta unpack the vibes. Besties, the blogs have been doing backflips over this one, so of course we need to sit down and really sip this tea together. Because apparently, and again, all alleged, all internet speculation, people are starting to feel like Kourtney Kardashian might be in a low-key toxic situation with Travis Barker. Now listen, when Kourtney and Travis first got together, the whole internet was screaming goals, I need soulmates, I need goth fairy tale, all of that. But lately, the vibes have shifted and the whispers have gotten louder. Some fans are swearing the energy around Kourtney feels different. They're saying she's been quieter, more private, a little more distant from the Kardashian brand machine. And the blogs are pointing fingers at Travis like, is he the reason she's pulling back? Of course, nothing is confirmed, but people are alleging that Travis may be super possessive and super intense, like, sis can't even breathe without him being 2 inches behind her. And you know the internet loves to yell isolation any chance they get. Others are saying the whole family dynamic feels off. Like, the Kardashians are all about sisterhood, constant togetherness, and extra everything, and suddenly Kourtney is on her own little island. Some fans think that's her choice, but the gossip pages, they're acting like it might be Travis influencing how much she shows up for the family. Again, alleged. We're just discussing the vibes the internet is throwing around. But bestie, the storyline is messy, because they're also saying Kourtney seems happy and more peaceful away from the Kardashian chaos. So is it isolation or just boundaries? Is it a toxic marriage or just a woman finally choosing herself? The internet can't decide, and honestly, that's why the conversation is all over the place. But besties, let's really talk about the shift, because fans have been comparing old Kourtney clips to recent ones, and the vibes are night and day. Back then, she was giving dry humor, petty queen, oldest sister who's over it energy. Recently, people are saying she's giving quiet wife vibes, almost like she's dimming her usual sarcastic glow to fit this new, peaceful rock star aesthetic. And you know the internet loves to diagnose everything based on 8 seconds of body language, but still, the conversation is out there. And you know when the public senses distance between a Kardashian and the rest of the family, it becomes a whole dissertation on TikTok. Fans swear they barely see Kourtney at big family events anymore. No chaotic background giggles with Khloe, no petty side eyes at Kim, no dramatic confessional moments where she's threatening to walk out. It's like sis disappeared into a leather jacket and drumsticks portal, allegedly. Then there was that moment where fans said Kim's energy toward Kourtney felt cold. And of course, the internet took that and ran a marathon with it. Some people think the sisters are still beefing behind the scenes, and Travis might be amplifying the divide by wanting Kourt to separate from anything he sees as toxic. But the twist is, other fans say he might be the controlling one, not the family. It's like watching two fandoms debate 2 different Netflix plots at once. And besties, do you remember when Kourtney used to post her kids nonstop? Lately, the content feels curated, minimal, and on her terms only. Some people see that as healthy boundaries. Others are convinced Travis is influencing her whole digital presence. Again, unconfirmed, unproven, just internet chatter, but that's what the blogs are spinning. There's also this whole storyline about Travis being extremely intense emotionally and spiritually. Fans have dug up old interviews where he talks about love like it's a religion, and the internet is wondering if Kourtney is living in that full time. They're like, sis is deep in the church of Travis Barker, as if she's been baptized in drumsticks and black nail polish, and don't even get me started on the friend circle talk. Rumor has it again, alleged and floating around online, that Kourtney has trimmed her friend group down to practically no one outside of him. Fans point out she rarely posts with her longtime ride-or-die friends. People think Travis likes it that way. Or maybe she likes it that way. That's the confusing part. Some think Kourtney is simply entering her soft life, leave me alone era. Like maybe she's finally over the family circus, over filming, over drama, and she's choosing a quieter life. But other people swear the quietness feels forced, like someone or something is pulling her inward instead of her choosing to go inward. Then you have the fans who think the relationship is actually her escape, not her trap. They feel like Travis cherishes her, prioritizes her, and gives her the emotional intimacy she's always wanted. So naturally, she stepped back from the Kardashian machine. They're saying the isolation looks toxic from the outside, but peaceful from her perspective. But chilly. The most dramatic theories are the ones claiming that Travis doesn't vibe with Kourtney's family at all and wants her to detach from anything that triggers her. And because her family has always been her main source of conflict, the isolation looks intentional. Whether that's love, control, or just incompatibility, the internet can't decide. And besties, the way people analyze their red carpet chemistry is wild. One group says he's clingy, always holding her close, always with his hands on her like he's marking territory. Another group says he's just obsessed in a good way, like he's proud of her, attracted to her, and wants to be connected physically. Same actions, two different stories. At the end of the day, none of us know what's really happening behind those massive Calabasas gates, but the blogs are spinning. This narrative, like a soap opera. Is Kourtney living her dream love story? Or is she quietly navigating something deeper and darker? The internet is divided, the speculation is messy, and the vibes are complicated. And that's why the conversation keeps coming back every time they pop out with a new picture, a new clip. All right, besties, that's all the tea for today. Thank you for hanging out with me, vibing, laughing, and breaking down this whole situation like we always do. Before you go, make sure you check out Cross Beauty, my online beauty shop where I've got the cutest press-ons, the glossiest lip glosses, and all the girly goodies you need to feel like that girl this season. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it keeps our little bestie community thriving. And remember, babe, protect your peace, protect your energy, and always choose what makes you feel beautiful inside and out. Love you! Okay, besties, that wraps up today's gossip sesh. If you loved this, go ahead and show some love by liking and subscribing. It keeps the vibes going and lets me know you want more tea. And while you're here, don't forget to shop Cross Beauty because the new press-ons and lip gloss drops are too cute to miss. Treat yourself, babe. Always remember, you deserve softness, success, and a circle that supports you just like we do here. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and stay glowing from the inside out. I'll see you in the next one.